I'm headed into this ManHammer portion of the workout on Wednesday, and I'm going straight for my max. I'm looking for that big, strong, explosive first set. But right in the middle of it, I realized my form is fucking dog shit. And you're going to see that it's even worse on the left-hand side. I'm not as strong and I'm not as comfortable. So ugly. So for the next set, I want to pull some weight off, and I want to get the control part of this down. I want to work on doing this in better form, being more efficient about it. Now I have a 70-pound hammer. I feel controlled on my left side with it, and I'm focusing on swinging it back into the loaded position and then driving it up and over to make the swing. Just thinking about being strong with it. Right side feels good as well. It feels efficient. I feel like the movement's working perfectly and my form's on point. Nice, controlled, explosive set. I threw a 10 on this, so now I have an 80-pound hammer. 80-pound hammer feels good. 95-pound hammer for my max felt a little bit shaky. 80-pound hammer feels in control. Damn camera wasn't clipped in all the way, allegedly. Must have worked itself loose on the first two sets. Left hand again is a little awkward, and I noticed this as I'm doing it. So I'm trying to think about it, but I can't seem to correct in the middle of the set. But it's okay, I got something to work on. That rep is absolutely horrible, but I was happy to get it up and over just for the sense of being done with it. On to the next one.